For more than 75 years, Dukes has safeguarded the essential infrastructure that keeps communities safe, stable, and running without disruption. Dukes is a national leader in maintaining and extending the life of underground infrastructure, trusted by municipalities and engineers to protect their most critical assets. Best known for pioneering chemical root control, Dukes has treated more than 500 million feet of pipe with over 2,500 customers nationwide and decades of experience, helping customers shift from reactive repairs to proactive maintenance programs. Today, Dukes delivers a full life cycle of service for sewer, storm, and water infrastructure, from inspection and assessment to renewal and monitoring, maximizing performance, reliability, and long-term value. Dukes, guardians of essential infrastructure, delivering a future where underground infrastructure is visible, continuously monitored, and proactively managed, so municipalities can detect issues earlier, invest smarter, and keep communities safer for generations to come.